Hi everybody, this is Sonia the RV DJ coming to you with yet another video. Previously, and I will put the link in the description below and a card up top, we installed a K&N air filter in my 2018 Chevy Colorado. It is a 3.6 gas engine, and today we're going to clean and oil the K&N filter. So what we have to do first is get the filter out of the box, and we'll move on to the next step. The screws are quite long. And I believe there are 4, if I remember. One here, one in the back, and there's one here. So there are 3 screws. And then there's tabs. It's the ice cream. It's the ice cream man! Ice cream forever. Alright, so the cordless screwdriver wouldn't fit back here, so I have to use a regular screwdriver. Alright, so there are 4 screws. There's one on the side here, one on the other side, and then one back here and one back here. So there are 4 screws. And then you'll be able to slide the tabs out and take the filter out. And you can see it is dirty. So it has been doing its job. And now we're going to, we have to rinse it out and apply the cleaner and the oil. So what we're going to do now is going to apply the K&N filter cleaner to both sides of the filter, and it has to sit for 10 minutes, but don't let the cleaner dry on the filter. So we sprayed both sides of the filter. We're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to rinse it off. Alright, so now it's been 10 minutes. And we are going to spray the cleaner off of the filter from the clean side out, the intake side out. And it has to be low pressure, cool water. So you don't want to jet spray out of the hose or anything. Until all of the cleaner and dirt is off the filter. You may have to respray it. And then apply the cleaner again. But as you can see, it's going from a black to a white color. I don't have full pressure on this hose either. It's only pressed about halfway down. if that. And it looks like it's pretty clean. I don't think we have to reapply it. Any cleaner to it. Take a look at the other side here. Oh. Let's see if we can get that last bit of tree stuff off of there. Might have to pick those pieces off. Alright, so now that we have totally let the filter completely dry, we are now going to apply the filter oil on the intake side again, on the top of the pleats. And then after we totally cover the filter, it has to set for about 20 minutes to let it soak into the rest of the filter, and then we can reinstall the filter to the truck. Now we have to make sure that all the pleats are totally covered in the red oil. And this is pretty much what it looks like when you buy a brand new K&N filter out of at the store. It'll look like that. The edges will have oil on them and everything. So, and the filters are red when you take them out of the package. The little edges here. Now it'll take about 20 minutes for it to soak into the filter, and then we'll put it back in the truck and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so as you can see, we have completely oiled the filter. We let it sit for 20 minutes so that the oil seeps into the filter itself. Both sides are done. So now we can just place it back into the air intake box here. And we can put everything back together again. So now that we have the filter back in, push the cover back in so that the tabs are locked back in again, and we just have to replace the screws and we will be all done. Too fast with this one. It's an awkward spot here. And the other one we have to do with the regular screwdriver. Alright, so we have reinstalled the filter back into the air box in the truck. We have cleaned, we have re-oiled. It's all set to go for another 6 months or so, but like I said, we'll probably get back to it, check it again early spring. Once again, this is the K&N air filter clean and re-oil for a 2018 Chevy Colorado with the 3.6 liter gas engine. And if you didn't see the install video when I originally put the air filter in, You can check that out. It'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.